so there's a lot going on here. People playing around.
We can sit outside and eat actually.
Where is it?
Are you making it? Can you make it strong?
Sean Kojo, what you gonna do tonight? So, what I'm gonna do today? So we are in Burlington. This is Burlington Mall Extension. I'll call this that way. The mall's on the other side. So this place is beautiful, actually, I ain't gonna lie.
This is the back of the mall, actually.
The back of the mall, yeah, it looks nice. It's kind of new. They just built some new stores, restaurants, like shopping, like this store for men. Yo, we're gonna pick a place, so we're gonna go eat. I'm super hungry. Like at this point, man, Coach is taking way too long. I can't eat anything. Anything right now tastes good to me. So, yeah, we take you there, guys. Let's go get something to eat.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go try the Japanese. There's this Japanese
spot.
Yeah.
Oh, that's over there?
Yeah.
Yo, let's do it. Let's do the Japanese spot. Let's do it. We're gonna cut through here.
Yeah.
What's the Palm? Famous Italian?
This is an Italian place. I heard it's nice too, so we can try that later at some point.
What
I heard
do
they have
have?
The clam pizza. That is like...
It's only pizza? Or
they sell like, pizza too. They sell like other stuff.
Other stuff too, like real food?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool though. Yo, so we got a lot of places to go. We got options.
You can try the Italian if you want.
Guys, yo, we decided to actually try the spot, the Italian spot down Palm, right?
Yeah, Palm famous, yeah.
Palm famous Italian. So, yeah, we're gonna go inside, see what they have. The menus, Italian food, a lot of pasta, pizza, all that, but it's all good. We're gonna go give it a shot, try, and give you guys our honest opinion. So, all right, follow.
Prices, it's not bad. Yeah.
Yo, I think the menu is good.
So you want to check it out?
Yeah. So basically that's what they have, right?
Yeah.
Pasta only. Sheesh.
Yeah, it's Italian. Come on. You don't even do pasta, bro? There's salads.
Maybe this one looks good.
Spaghetti and meatballs.
Oh, fusilli bolognese.
Yeah, bologna.
Bolognese, yeah. Yeah, let's try. That's something different, right? Yeah, let's try it. You good?
Yeah,
is that what you want to eat?
Yeah, I like scampi, so I can try the scampi with me and see. So get some drink and see how it goes.
Yeah. Yeah, let's try it. Yeah, I don't mind. They got liquors, all that. Yeah, good. Hey, place for two, please. Oh, you guys are busy, huh? Oh, yeah, this is cool. Yeah.
Table for two.
Yo. Alright.
I'm sorry, I can't.
Come on.
In the morning, we are rotating the...
Oh, in the morning.
It's cold. You guys...
It's pasta in the morning, man.
I'm cold here. You guys put the AC down a little bit.
It's pasta in the morning.
Damn.
Fast.
Do you guys have tea or hot chocolate? Hot chocolate. Very hot. Give me the best hot chocolate you guys have. All right? So we're going to do that. Tap water?
I'll do spring water.
Spring. Yo, spring's the same as tap water.
No, spring is the bottle. The one
That's what I'm saying. The same thing for me. Like,
tap water is not good.
no Fiji? Italian, no Fiji water?
No, it's the spring Italian water. It's in the bottle. It's nice. The tap water is the regular Burlington tap water.
I know, but the spring water for me is almost tap water. They don't treat it that well. Like
Fiji
that.
is spring water too.
No, Fiji, right? No, it's not spring water.
Spring from Fiji. Can
Nah.
you read about it? It's from the
No,
lake.
but
It's from the
but the
ocean,
way they
from
treat is different though.
It's tunnel. It comes through the thing.
No, but the way they treat is different because the
one is
price
it?
is not the same.
Which one is the fancy Italian one?
Okay, let me
that's
try
the
that.
one I'm talking about. Which one is it? Which brand?
In the regular ones that we see at market baskets.
No, there's an Italian brand.
Oh, okay. Let me try that one. I thought I was like, do you know those spring little water?
Nah, bro. Nah.
Okay,
not
that's
that
what I was talking
There's
about.
a lot of spring waters. different
Okay, got
types.
it. The good ones, spring water, the good one.
Yeah, there's a lot of different types.
Okay.
There's the Italian one that is really good.
Because I thought it was,
And
you know,
it's even expensive than Fusion.
because I thought it was the spring water. You know the spring water,
No, I
right?
know.
Yeah, that's why I was nah. That's the semi-tap water to me.
I see the
Yeah,
one you trust on.
Yeah.
The one that comes from Maine.
yeah. The one we regularly see on the show.
it comes from
Yeah,
Maine,
that's
yeah.
like tap water to me.
It's bottled in Maine.
Yeah. This one.
See, it's a little different. See, for me, it's
You like
nicer.
this?
Yeah, this one. I thought it was like, you know those spring water, the clear
from
one,
Maine,
the regular ones. You know the one we buy all the time. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's all the nah. That's tap water.
Really, I never
No, this one is good. This one I tried this
This
before.
one all spring water too.
Yeah, I tried this before.
For me, water is the same.
But the tap water is not. It's okay. You never know. You never know.
Don't forget my hot chocolate, please.
Hey, can I get a spicy margarita? Can you make it stronger?
Spicy margarita.
Are you making it? Can you make it strong?
Sean Kojo, what you gonna do tonight? Jesus, hey, what you planning on doing?
Drink the apple spritz. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. I mean, it tastes like sparkling water.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah, pretty much.
That's what's gonna spritz.
That's it. It's alright.
It's alright. What is your rating for this? I know it's not your honest opinion.
Yeah, that's not really what I would like to go for. I just wanted to try it because I never tried it before. Maybe I did, never knew. So, I mean, it's not like an alcohol. You know what I'm saying? Liquor like that. So, I'll give it like a 7.
7.
I got on spaghetti and meat.
Spaghetti meatball, yeah.
Spaghetti meatball. It looks really good. I hope it tastes good. I'm gonna let you know how that tastes though. I don't know what is on top here. I think, that's cheese.
cheese,
Yeah, cheese. So they got cheese on top. We got a meatball. And we got a spaghetti in here. Add on this flour, whatever it is. Yeah, I'm just gonna try it. I'll let you know how that tastes though.
Try it out.
Let me try it out first.
That's the meatball.
It's good, but it's a little salty. It's a bit salty. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but it's a little salty. Let me try it on the spaghetti. This spaghetti is definitely like a 9. It's homemade spaghetti, yeah. It's really good. The blend of the sauce,
The tomato sauce.
the tomato sauce, it just feels so pure. It tastes so pure, like a real
Like
spaghetti.
fresh,
Fresh, yeah. So I really like it.
So it's only the meatball is your guy.
The meatball is good, but let me try another part. Maybe I just picked the salty part, but it's a little too salty. I don't like salty food. I don't.
So overall, what would you give this?
I've given it an 8.
Alright.
It's an 8. It's really good. Yeah. It's healthy too. It looks healthy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Scampi with basil and some other stuff on it. I don't know. I've tried a lot of shrimp scampi, but let's see how this one is. Yeah. It's actually good though. Yeah, it's really good. I like it. It's not that bad.
What's good about it? How's the salt?
Good. The salt content is like balanced, which is good. What's in it? The spaghetti was cooked right. It's not too soft. It's not too hard. It's like in between, which is really good. Shrimp. They use a lot of shrimp. Is awesome. Right, the cheese around it too. This is pretty good. It's balanced, which is awesome. I like it. Yeah. So I'll probably give it an 8 as well too.
Okay.
Not bad. I'll give it an 8. Good. Portion size is good actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just gonna enjoy my food.
Alright.
This was how good the food was, man. Look at that.
Guys, yo, the food was good. Like I said, I was hungry too. Yo, I killed it. Look at Coach, he killed it before me.
Look at mine, yeah.
Yo.
That's how good this food was. It was good. Even though it was an 8, it was still taking it was good. To be honest with you.
I thought it was a 9. I changed my mind.
It's a 9 for real?
It's a 9.
Wow.
I can do 2 of those.
Because of the portion size, huh?
The portion, but it's a good portion. It's a good portion. I don't want to get too full anyway, so.
So which is good. Alright. So there you go, guys.
Alright guys, so we went in there. As y'all saw, the food was great. Customer service, I'll give it like a 9 as well. It was super good. The girl was very friendly, nice. The price, how much
Price
was
was
it?
good price though.
I think it was decent. Yeah,
$6 for everything we just
yeah,
had.
it wasn't too bad. Price
Yeah.
was good. Man, it was a little cold in there. Sheesh, I was freezing. I'm still freezing a little bit. You know, summertime, not really summer, but the blast, the AC over there. But yeah, if you guys, overall, yeah, it's a good night. It's a good night.
So overall, what would you give it?
I'll give it a 9.
9 overall?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
It's a good night. The food, all that.
Yeah, I would give it an 8.5, which
Yeah, which is
customer
good.
service is 9, to be honest with you. The girl was really nice, for real.
Yeah.
And it's a nice spot, so we're gonna go around and check out the spots and let you guys know.
All right, let's go, man. I
Dairy
went to get some dessert at this spot. Dairy made.
made.
Dairy. So Dairy made some Broadway Everett. In my opinion, this is one of the best ice cream place in Massachusetts. I mean, there's a lot of places, but you know,
Look at the line, actually, though.
the line is crazy.
The line is mad long, but hey, we're gonna check it out.
Yeah, we're gonna check it out. Yeah, you guys.
Backing up.
Yeah.
You can stay. You can go. Yeah, you're good. Is that the only spot? It's right in the center of Everett.
Some Broadway Everett.
What do you
Damn.
usually get though?
I usually get vanilla, but sometimes I switch it up too. I get the banana. They have some banana, strawberry, some. They have a lot of them. I can't remember all of them. I usually just read it and then pick from it.
Alright, cool. I'll see.
I like to try different things.
Do you get it like in a cup or cone?
I get a cup, but I get a cone on the
the
side.
side?
Yeah.
Oh, so you can do that? Alright,
Yeah, you
I'm
can
gonna
do that too, yeah.
then. This is my first. This is actually my first time here. so-
Really?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah, the whole time you know
Yeah.
that. I used to get it all the time, man. All this every summer, man. Vanilla self-served.
With the cone on the top, yeah.
With the cone on the top, that's how I usually get it. That's how I usually like it. So we're gonna try it and let you know.
So the line keeps getting long, even after
Yeah.
us, it was still long.